We all start from somewhere. Don't give up on your dreams. You've got this. If you can't stop thinking about it, don't stop working towards it. Follow your rules. Get knocked down 1,000 times, but always get back up again. Know your rules inside and out. Don't just write them down once, twice, 100 times. Write them down 1,000 times. Have them all around you. Embody your rules. Trading is one of the easiest things in life you can ever possibly do. It's as simple as clicking a mouse button. But yet it's much more than that. Much, much more than that. First, you need to know what the market is doing. Yeah, anybody can click a button. But not everybody can click a button at the right time. In the right direction. When you've got a solid set of rules that you know works in backtest. But you haven't got the patience and discipline, rule following skills and risk management skills in order to move forward. Yes, anybody can win a trade. Anybody can win a trade, it's easy. Can you win consistently? Can you manage your risks in order for your account to grow? This is the game. Being burned 10, 50, 100 times. When are you going to get into your head that you need to be a patient, disciplined, rule-following machine in order to take your life to the next level through trading? How many times do you have to lose? How many times do you have to lose because of bad trades? If you lose because of a good trade, that's a probability. That's okay. You've got to be relentless. You've got to fail 1,000 times and get back up. You've got to know that the risk is in your favour. You've got to know that there's light at the end of the tunnel. The more you put in, the more you get out of it. Patience, discipline, follow your rules and manage your risk is the only way forward. If you don't have these 4 inner traits of a trader, you'll never, ever, ever make it. But like I said at the start, if you can't stop thinking about it, don't stop working towards it. It's the easiest thing you can ever do in your entire life, yet it's so difficult. You've got to fight off them demons within inside you. Of impatience, undisciplined, fear, greed, anxiety, worry and stress. Stay calm, relaxed and focused on your goals. Know exactly when to take that trade. Exactly when to take that trade. You need to know your rules inside and out. You need to know every single rule inside and out. Once that final rule has been printed on the screen, then and only then you take the trade. You see, all of us are consistent. Every single one of us in the world is consistent at something. You're either consistent at not following your rules or consistent at following your rules. You're consistent at not managing your risk or you're consistent at managing your risk. Choose what consistency you want to become. One trade is not going to change your life. One trade is not going to change your life. But that one trade made consistently with the right risk management will change your life. Don't get upset by one losing trade. Don't get upset by a series of losing trades. Trade in probabilities. One trade will never ever change your life, but that one trade done consistently will transform your life forever. Aim of the game is, what consistency are you? Are you a consistent loser who doesn't follow your rules, or are you a consistent winner that follows your rules? I believe in you. You can make this. You have got what it takes. Be resilient and never ever give up working towards your dreams. You have to get to the point where you don't want to be around this shit anymore. You have to get to the point of no more. You have to get to the breaking point in your life where you can't stand this shit anymore. You're working job after job after job which you hate, just for the money, not for no pleasure in it. If you're working a job where you've got no pleasure in it, that means you're living half your life with no pleasure, just for money, just for pay for a house that you're not even in. You have to get to the point of no more. I can't take this shit anymore. In order for change, you have to get to that point. In order for you to change your life, you've got to seek viable information in order to get your mind right, in order for you to see what you need to be seeing on the charts. You see, we're not born with these skills. You've got to acquire these skills. Awareness. You've got to be aware of how the market moves, why the market moves, when the market moves. You've got to acquire that knowledge and download it into your brain each and every day. Backtest each and every day. The more you put in, the more you get out.